We are live at the 2026 Consumer Electronics Show with Supercar Street Racing.
Hey, what's up everybody? Supercar Street Racing here at CES 2026, and right behind me we have the awesome booth of Arspura. They have so many cool products, and we're going to be showing you a few of them, like this 30-inch F1 range hood here, and then we're going to show you their 36-inch P2 range hood as well. I've learned a lot about their cool technology. They definitely are well above all the other range hoods that I've seen, and I'm excited. Right behind me we have the 30-inch F1 range hood. Now this hood is different because of the size. You can see that this will fit in places where the other hoods will not fit, and you can see how it's set up right here with the blower motor up there. They've got it all nice and see-through for you guys. Here are the controls in the front. You've got your power and you've got your suction and your light right here. It's got a nice LED light underneath it right there. Now the thing that is different from other companies about is the amount of airflow that their devices produce. This thing produces 16 meters per second of airflow, and I'm going to show you in a little bit exactly how much that is. It's going to blow your mind what this thing can do. Now it has a self-cleaning system as well. There is a high-speed fan that automatically takes all of the particulates out and blows them outside, so you don't have to clean anything. You don't have to disassemble this thing. There's no filter to wash or anything like that. It makes it so much easier. Now this guy also has a top suction design up here. Now what that does for you is it keeps the space above it clear. It gives you a lot more room for cooking. So once again, this is the 30-inch F1 range hood. It is designed for smaller places where you wouldn't normally be able to fit anything like that. And one thing before we end I wanted to show you is the way you clean this. Now this little cleaning tray right here is where you will get a collection of all of the oil and things like that it sucks up, and all you have to do is clean that probably once every 3 months. When it starts building up oil, you can just go ahead and wipe that out and you're done with it. We're right in front of the P2 right here. Now this is a much more powerful and much more exciting range hood than the F1, but it also is a 36-inch range hood. It uses their IQV technology to clean, to go ahead and get rid of everything. It does have a 15 meter per second flow rate, and it does some cool things. And you can see right here, we've got the smoke meter to show you guys exactly how this thing works. That's their IQV technology at work. Now, if you want to know how powerful this guy is, check this out. You take this and it sticks directly. That's how strong the suction is, this system. Now, also of note, which is something very important, you can see right here in the front that this thing has a real-time PM monitor. It's showing you the particulates in the air, and it does filter out those to make it safe. Now, you will want a reading anywhere under 50 to be safe at your house. And what happens is, as you cook and your cooking particulates go and flow up into the system, you'll notice this number might go up, and once the system starts filtering it down, the numbers will go ahead and drop down below the 50 mark, which is where you want them. And also, this guy does work with a system of just gesture. So it turns on with just your hand. You can go ahead and just use a gesture system to go ahead and turn this guy off and on. Now, just like the other hood, this does have a cleaning system right here where it does collect grease and things like that about every 3 months, I think is what they told me. You just go ahead and slide this right out and you go ahead and wipe it out, and that's all you have to do to keep this thing clean. Now notice right here this unique system of how it filters everything. It's got a glass wall right there, a glass wall right there, and you can see clearly this glass wall is keeping everything inside, going right up through the hood right here and going right up to the top. Underneath here, you can see this cool LED light right there. That all is also very cool. And up here, we've got all the specifications of the CXW 165 P2. It's got a 165 watt motor. Its noise level is also way less than most range hoods. Now, this does 15 meters per second as well, which is also much higher than other range hoods. And that is proven by the fact that when you do that, that guy right there just stays right up there. That is what makes this hood so special compared to other range hoods. This monitoring system right here, this is a game changer. Now, both of these glass panels right here are diamond frosted. That means it makes them much easier to clean when it is time to go ahead and clean your range hood. So once again, if you're interested in this range hood, there will be a link down in the description to the P2. I definitely love the way this thing looks. I like the styling. I like the PM meter right here for your safety. I love the way that the smoke is being sucked up into the actual design, and it proves that this thing does what it is supposed to be doing. This is awesome, guys. Links in the description to everything. So I just wanted to talk to you guys for a minute about what makes Arspura better than all of the other range hoods. Now, the first thing is the superior suction power. This is what I think pulls them out of the league of anybody else. Up to 2,300 RPMs of suction power, and nobody else has that much suction power. The other thing is, of course, they are filter free, which makes them super easy to clean. You don't have to pull a filter out and get yourself dirty and all that, or worry about that part. Also, odor-free protection. That's one thing they have that others don't have. So that means basically there's no fumes clinging to your cabinets. There's not going to be any stains on your walls or anything like that, which is definitely a plus. Basically, when the oil mist can't settle over your kitchen, it won't get on the walls and start turning yellow and all that over time. Now, a lot of the range hoods go as low as 36 dB in sound level, and that is about the same as a normal refrigerator. So that's awesome. You know how quiet a refrigerator can be. That's cool that they have the same thing for their range hood. And of course, that means if you need to have a regular conversation, you can.